Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to turn on a cursor locator in Windows 10. So let's get started. So the cursor locator looks something like this, the circle beaming around the cursor. So let's think that our cursor is lost somewhere and I want to know where it is. So I just press the control key and there it is, boom. So how do we do that? Let's get to know about it. So first what we have to do is go to the search box and then search for mouse settings. Enter the result in system settings and go to additional mouse settings, go to the pointer options, and then you may have to see that this box is ticked on, and then click on apply and then OK, and then you should see your results. Press the control key and boom, here's your brand new cursor locator. So thank you for watching my video and please be sure to subscribe, like and press the bell icon. Thank you.